Okay, first thing we do to replace the internal control panel, switch the power off to the spar. We then need to get access to the compartment here, so 6 screws and take the door panel off. Okay, we need to get into the IQ 2020 control box to disconnect the internal control panel. We locate the cable, disconnect it. And just leave it loose on the ground like so. So this panel is siliconed in, so we just need to use a little bit of gentle persuasion. Prise the panel away, and you'll find it will come away quite easily. You then need to pull enough cable through, because what you're going to do is cut this cable, attach the new cable to it, and then pull it through. Inside the box you will have some instructions if you're not sure. Now what we're going to do is take the new cable to the old cable. And when you're happy that's taped, you can then cut the old panel off and pull the new cable through. Whole panel removed. What you can find useful is just to spray a small amount of lubrication to help pull the cable through. Now, this is where you hope you've taped the new cable and old cable together well enough, because you get hold of the old cable and you start to just pull through. It can sometimes get jammed, so you sometimes just need to go back to the other end and just straighten it out. When you're happy that's all pulled through, untape, and then reconnect the end into the control box. Ready? So before you glue the panel in place, you just need to remove any excess old silicone from the previous panel, just to make sure that you get a good finish when it glues back in. So using your silicone, just glue around the bottom dish. And securely push into place. Then it's a case of tidying up the cables in the other end, and that's your new control panel, internal control panel, fitted.